Hello, my name is Rupert Locke and my company is Feral Science. My aim really is to make teaching science outdoors at secondary levels something that's really exciting and engaging, and so I've got strange things like a water-filled lens here, I've got a sound wave machine, but I cover all of the science curriculum up to the end of GCSE. My website address is www.feralscience.co.uk. My Instagram is @feralsciencelimited, and on Facebook I am @feralscience. Thank you very much. So I've got here some of the objects on display. Now, a lot of you will be familiar from bushcraft with the solar spark type lighters. This is a small portable one, and what I wanted to do was upsize it. And this same dish, this parabolic dish, you're not going to get to see me light a fire with it because we have a cloud in front of the sun at the moment. However, the difference in area, if you look at the two compared, you can see how many of these smaller solar sparks this one makes up. This big one is about equivalent to a 400 watt heater. That's slightly more than half a kettle. Okay, behind it here we have got a wave modeling machine that models both types of wave. On top we have got a transverse wave, which you can see travels along, and the coiling and uncoiling of the strings gives you a really nice map of a transverse wave. And along the bottom here, much more of a classical one, we have a compression wave, runs along the slinky. So the compression wave, the longitudinal wave, is about sound transport in air or other liquids, and the transverse one is the wavelengths of light, heat, radio waves and all the other kind of electromagnetic waves.